Madam Jennifer was one of the applicants. I do not know.
Abany'ishengyero bari kushitama mu kakiiko ka Parliament kakosase erizoba batangarabwa nyuma yo kushanga ngo abakozi mu kitongore eki bakegabira emishahara y'ebishaju konka n'obukirabe kiringu company y'enyonyeji ekiriyo nekorera omu mabanja kandi tekutasya na 10 kashanga ngo wabire nakorera ekitongore ekikonwera Mureya akaba natunga shiringi miliyoni 226 buri kwezi kandi bwa nyuma yo kumubingo wamugira mu bigere Jennifer bamuturaki obwa hata natunga miliyoni 87 buri kwezi orukurre byesente mu kitongore eki natunga miliyoni 53 abavugi b'enyonyi za Airbus nibatunga miliyoni 6 rero bari kusimura nibatunga miliyoni 4 buri kwezi.
Ebitusobedde Emishaara gy'abakulu kubanga eyali CEO ng'afuna obukadde 127 then kakati onaliwo afuna 87 finance CFO afuna 8 director mu 8 bwezityo buziri 87 nkaga naki okay tiwali baddewo buzibu naye sente zino justification eriwa kubanga bakola loss
kandi babany'ishengyero abandi bagira ngo ekitongore eki nikyenda kuterezebwa ngo ahabo kuba ekyo cyaba kitakozurwe no kushanga ekitongore eki kyagaruka cyarugaho
ni kimwe biri kworeka ngo embera y'emishahara mu ihangwa niyetaga kuterezebwa abo kuba hariho ebitongore bimwe byo kushanga abakozi batunga emishahara erengire kandi omurimo guba rukora gutakwingana n'emishahara ningo shanga bamwe bintu umushahara kandi emirimo erengire umushahara ogwo mwene kimanyisa ngo hashimiye kutondwaho akakiiko akaratereza iby'emishahara omu ihanga byona omurungereza ntubasa keta salary review commission kacondoze karebe buri kitongore omurimo ngwingana ki nabwo cyo gushemerera umushahara guru kwingana ki
benefutereze nkora yabo yemeramo bibuze no shanga abantu bakora umurimo gumwe bafutunga sente zitakushana oshanga ngo no kureta mwa abakozi nabo tubakoreka standard nari nkore bakushikoramo oshanga ngo no kureta currency yo nibakugira ngo baka batere mu kirango abantu nka 20 bashabire batunge barhere ku rwo ministry eri kubagambira o barahereza umurimo so ebyo babitereza bakatamu manuals in place bakazi followinga ningira ngo Uganda Airlines ndebasakora umurimo murungi.
Now that you are here it means that there are issues to answer.
Beto urukurre kitongore ki Jennifer bamuturaki yagira ngo emishahara ege katebwaho ba minister ngo bitu bari mu kucondoza kureba ko bakitereza kikaza harurengo rushikire.
We have two aircraft types. There's the CRJ, that's what is commonly known as the Bombardier, and then there's the Airbus. Now, the two have different structures. The captains flying the Airbus and a little more from the captains that are flying the Airbus, then also the CRJ. Then also the passers will earn differently. Now, you noticed there was a crew that had 4 million and a crew that had 2 million. Now, the crew that had 2 million had not yet joined at the time.
Honorable Chair, as a board, we are also uncomfortable with some of these salaries, and that is why we have embarked on two things: the manpower audit, and the manpower audit will inform us exactly the staff we need.
Akakiiko akagaruka kashanga mu kampuni ege inabakoza babingirwe kandi bakahanditsa yabakoza abandi bitwe cyenaku bona bahumwire hamwe n'abaruhono batunga emishahara erukushana kandi aba basisireho sente zirukwingana na biliyoni 2.
Honorable Chair, I also want to put the record straight. There is no manager who earns that 58 million.
But it's here in the document you have given me.
That document had disparities, which the CEO has been belaboring to explain.
Kampuni ege kaba yarugireho mu mwaka gwa 1999 kandi ija yagaruzwaho mu mwaka gw'ebyesente gw'2018-2019 beto kurugerera ha report yo mbaririzo mukuru wa government neyereka ngo mu mwaka gw'2020-2021 kampuni ege ikakora rosi ya miliyoni 164. Gasha kwa Jimmy Muhumuza.